Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove and disable the Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. So the Xbox Game Bar is built into Windows, so you can't fully uninstall it without some advanced tweaks, but you can disable it completely and it won't bother you anymore. So let's start this example by opening settings. You can type Windows I on your PC, it will open it, and here you can go to Game. Once you do so, make sure to go to Game Bar. And if it's on, all you need to do, just go and turn it off so you don't allow your computer or your controller to open the game bar. So if you disable that, let's just get into the other option. What you can do is turn off the background, as example, recording as well. So let me just go back in here, go to captures, and right here as example, you'll be able to turn this off first of all, if you have it on. And then the other options doesn't matter, but you can turn them off as well. This will save performance and stop hidden recording as well. Make sure to remove also any keyboard shortcuts. So if we go back here to game bar, of course in game mode also you can turn it off. So in game bar, if you go to all shortcuts example here, you'll be able to see all shortcuts. So they'll tell you to press Windows plus G, and this should open this for you right here. So as example, you should find capture, performance, audio, and everything right here. And as example, on the list panel, shortcuts, make sure if you have any shortcuts example to disable that. Also, if you have anything on, make sure to turn it off, especially if it's annoying for you as example, for notifications as well. If you don't want them, just go and turn it off. As you can see, they'll ask me, oh, there's an update. I don't use it, so I'm not going to update it. It doesn't matter for me. So if you want to uninstall it fully, you will be able now to go and do other things. Of course, if you disable like the shortcuts, Windows G shouldn't open it anymore, as you can see. So for me, I didn't disable it. Of course, as I said, if you want to uninstall it right now, you will have to go and open the PowerShell. Make sure to run it as admin, as administrator. Once you do so, we'll have to type the following command. So you'll have to type git -app x package space Microsoft. Okay, type it wrong. Let me just go and type it from the beginning. So it's a Microsoft dot Xbox. Make sure to type, of course, X capital letter, M capital letter, game example G with capital, overlay with capital. The O, of course, not all of it. Then type this. I don't know what's the name of it. Then you can just add remove -app x package. Once you hit the enter button, example, deployment operation progress. So as you can see, initialized. You'll have to wait a little bit, and it should be deleted. This will remove the Game Bar app, and you can reinstall it later from the Microsoft Store if needed. So I'll show you how to uninstall it fully, and I'll show you how to disable some stuff on it if you want to. If you want to keep it in the PC. So yeah, that's basically should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.